Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, you're going to see how to order food from grubhub. So grubhub is the app which is there to deliver ready-made food to your delivery location at the easiest way, starting from very shortest time of just 20 to 30 minutes to even within 1 hour you'll get your favorite food to your location so easily. So if you observe, several locations are served by these grubhub people, and based on your location, your zip code, it will be available to your location too in the US. And if you are ordering something on this grubhub, how do you order? That will show here. So if you are on your grubhub page and you would like to order something to your location, so I would like to order and my grill and deli from this store. I would like to order some food. So on my grubhub, let's see, and it's showing several items here: combo chicken and everything you're getting at 12.95 USD. Vegetable quesadilla is getting at 10.95 USD. Like that, I can even order beer 6 packs for 17.95 USD, or beer cans packs also available here. Everything is available here. Hot wings and fries available. 8 pieces boneless wings are also available. I'm just making this hot wings one to my cat. Just added one quantity here. Hot wings, just adding one quantity here. Make required choice. Yes, after getting it only the price will be added here. I'm going for 12 piece. So 12 piece would be costing me 16.95, adding it to my bag. So previous one is there, I'm emptying it and adding this one to my bag. I've added this 12 pieces hot wings and fries. After that, I can add some more items here. So this combo chicken, let's see what exactly this one: combo chicken and lamb over rice. Yes, this is also looking delicious. So I'm going to have this one. So if you want extra meat, you can add it here. If you want pita, you can add here. You can add extra sauce here. Without that also you can add. You can give special instructions here for your food preparation and make required choice. I don't want anything, so which I have to choose. So choose one at least. Yeah, extra sauce I want. I've added and gone. So I have added 2 items to my order. Just I'm going to view order. If you observe, I have added 2 items here: hot wings and fries, and combo chicken and lamb over rice. So these 2 things are costing me around 25.50 USD after the promo code, 25% off, and service fee of $1. A delivery fee, nothing is added here, but the tax is added, 2.08 USD. The total is costing me 25.50 USD. You can select a driver tip here. So if you want, you can give more. The minimum thing will be 10%, 15%, 20, 25, whatever you can customize even through. Go to proceed to checkout. After going to proceed to checkout, it's asking your contact information. You give your contact information and proceed further for the payment using your credit card, debit card, or any other payment like PayPal or Google Pay. Using that one, you can order this items from your grubhub, and within the set time you will get your order to your home directly. Thank you so much for ordering. Thank you so much for viewing this video on my YouTube channel. Just like and share this video, subscribe the channel for more such valuable content.